In the meantime, national champions Malik James King and Shanika Ricketts are among athletes who have thanked the Jamaica Olympic Association JOA for their financial support after making the team to Paris. $6 million was made available to 5 athletes, including James King and Ricketts, in furtherance of their Olympic pursuits, this prior to the national championships.
I know it was going to happen, but I didn't know I was going to run this fast, honestly. So I'm really grateful, and I have to tell the JOA really thanks for everything, because without them and my management team, I wouldn't have made it to be the national champion. And my first Olympic, it's very great. It's a very great feeling.
Ricketts, who won her 6th national title in the triple jump, admitted that her performance wasn't as expected at trials, but says she's preparing well for Paris.
Currently, the competitions have not been going exactly how we want them to go, but I've been having some really great practices, and so I'm hopeful, and mentally I'm prepared, physically I'm prepared, and so I'm just hoping to go to Paris in high spirits and to give it my best as usual.
Discuss thrower Samantha Hall was the other of the athletes who received the grant, who qualified for Paris based on world rankings. High jumper Christoph Bryan and national hammer throw record holder Nayoka Clunis were the other athletes who received a share of the $6 million grant.
From a managerial point of view, the Jamaica Olympic Association is absolutely ready. I think the games are going to be absolutely successful for us. Certainly our athletes will perform, and we are solidly behind our athletes to ensure that they have the right environment to safeguard them, as well as to encourage optimal performance.